Hello my dear friends, Namaste to all of you. One of the herb which is a big stress for farmers, agriculture world, that is today in my hand, CYPERUS rotundus. This CYPERUS rotundus is actually a weed which grows without any plantation, especially in the fields of wheat or paddy. This CYPERUS rotundus is ready to come naturally. Nobody puts any seed in it. So farmers are always under big stress because of this herb. This herb usually grow like 1 feet or 2 feet height, and they remove and it grows new and new. Ayurveda is such a great science that they use, which is useless for some people, is very useful as a medicine for us. It gives its roots, you can see this in my hand, like a nut. It looks very dark, it has a lot of hair, but actually it's white actually inside, but it's a great medicine. This root is a medicinal value. This plant you can see like this, you can see so that you can identify in fields everywhere around you its medicine qualities, which I am going to discuss with you. But I tell you one thing, pigs, they go and they search this because this is found anywhere, even wherever little water is going, there also it grows. They search, they take out the plant and they take its roots and they eat. That's why in Sanskrit we also call it as a crowed kaseruka. Kaseruka because it has a lot of hair, its roots has. We call it as a musta. Mushyati rogamiti musta. Mushyati means which removes, roga means disease, that is musta. Actually this is called as bhadra musta, one of the respectful roga remover, means disease remover. So bhadra musta is a name. Nagara motha because it can grow anywhere, in some water drainage places also it grows, in nagara, in cities, in fields. This herb can also be used if you put in oil, and if you use that oil for application, it gives a very good fragrance. Well, that is about one side. Once if it is told that mushyati iti roga, means it removes all diseases. And you know, the main reason for any disease is actually digestion, metabolism. This herb is having a great work on our digestion. I am going to read. Charaka Samhita says this is where it should be used. 5000 years back it is said, Pitta Jwara Atisara Aruchi Trishna Daha Nashini Shrama Rata. Any type of aruchi, when there is no desire to eat food. You know, hunger is the biggest gift given to mankind. We don't know from where we feel hungry. This hunger when goes down, and if you take tea of this root of this herb, hunger appears. All indigestion disappears. Any type of burning sensation in whole body, especially in your gastrointestinal tract, that gets mitigated. Any type of fever, it goes away. And most interesting thing is Shrama Rata. Shrama means without any work, when we feel tired. When we work or do exercise or any workout, everybody feel tired. But when without any work one feel tired, that is a jwara symptom. That's a symptom of a fever according to Ayurveda. And this is the musta, which removes any type of tiredness. It's a great medicine for epilepsy, mental stress. And never the least, this is a great medicine for eye disorders, especially for glaucoma. Whenever there is a problem about the pressures inside the eyes, this medicine, if you take in the system, it works on the eyes, even if there is no problem in the eyes, and if you take, and if there is a possibility of eye problems, it can also be controlled. So, any problem related to your metabolism, your pancreas. In chronic pancreatitis, this is one of the great medicine. Any type of burning sensation in the body, when you feel very hot, hot splashes. This is one of the great medicine. When you feel tired without working, this is a great medicine. Charaka Chikitsa Sthan 10th chapter. When there is a stress induced diarrhea or any infective diarrhea because of infection, this is the drug of choice. Charaka Samhita chapter 12, Madatyaya. After drinking alcohol, those who have side effect of alcohol, because of that they feel burning, they feel tired, they have a bad symptoms. This is the medicine. Charaka Chikitsa Sthana. The book Charaka is our main book. 22nd chapter. Any type of the case when there is a kapha has been disturbed, this is the best medicine. For, I already said about apasmara, for epilepsy, for emotional problems, also it's a medicine. It's a medicine for eye disorders. Most important thing, its name itself, MUSTA, Mushyati iti sarvarogam iti, MUSTA. The one which remove all diseases, that is MUSTA. And you know what it is? It's a weed. But now, we are cultivating it in organic way. This is something which you can get without any payment. It's a weed found everywhere. Its roots we have to purchase and nobody is procuring it. We can do cultivation of this because it's a great medicine. It's a substitute of one very expensive extincting herb of Ayurveda, Aconitum heterophyllum, Ativisha, which is also a great medicine and now we don't get. So, classical book says that this weed can use for that. So, it's a, and that Ativisha is 10,000 rupees 1 kilogram. So, at present this herb has become very expensive, my dear friends. Please, you can get pots in your houses or you may have a small piece of land. Get these weeds and put there, and once if you put, you know, the weed itself, why it called as weed, you don't have to put it. It has its own tendency to grow. When it comes in the hand of a Ayurvedic physician, it's a nectar. So, you can put in your houses and anytime you can, when it grows, you can remove and take out its root. Anyway, it will grow again, and clean it, clean very properly and then dry it, remove its all covering, crush and make powder in your mixie, and this powder you put in hot water and make a tea of it and see the magic. Actually, it is used in more than 500 combinations of Ayurveda for metabolic disorders. See you again with next wonder herb of Ayurveda. Till then, namaste.